Hey everyone, I'm super excited to share with you the Alice journey and our vision for the future. So as we know, blockchain is this revolutionary technology and it's going to change the world, but it seems super stagnant in terms of adoption. It's not reaching most of the internet users and it's a lot due to the broken mobile experience. The problem is a lot of people who are accessing dApps on mobile are accessing them through dApp browsers on their phones. So users are stuck with basic web apps because dApp developers are finding it way too hard to build blockchain mobile apps. What we did to make it easy for everyone is create a mobile super app. It's a universal crypto wallet which has a super intuitive and feature-rich user experience with a really nice interface. It also includes tools for developers to build mobile dApps inside the app, so that they can utilize our platform's features and just focus on building out awesome user experiences for their customers using the same language they do in web, which is JavaScript. And this is what Alice looks like. It's an application with apps inside of the app. Users have their favorite apps in one place and developers get an SDK that they can use to add their app to Alice's app screen. It's like a Web3 overlay on your phone. This enables developers to gain access to these super beneficial mobile features without the major hassles. Features like more users because phones are with you wherever you go, using push notifications to let someone know their CDP is about to get liquidated, or someone just like their CryptoKitty, accessing NFC for tap and go payments, GPS, Bluetooth, and a lot more mobile features. Also, with Alice, you get App Store distribution and a built-in wallet. This saves a lot of time for developers who are having to deploy or update their application, and also companies don't have to take on the liability of managing users' funds. So what have we been up to this past year? Before we even hit the App Store, we had paying customers. We produced an app for DAOstack to easily onboard users, and a better way for Foam to notify users whose point of interest were being challenged. Also a mobile version of Dapper Labs' Cheese Wizards game. Relocating to Berlin in August landed us two amazing opportunities. We met with Binance and joined their fellowship program. In turn, we received money to build multiple blockchains into Alice, which include Bitcoin, the Binance, and Ethereum blockchain. Then Consensus offered us an open source grant to further benefit the Ethereum ecosystem. They were super excited about a mobile app store for Web3. And people love Alice's UX, and we're constantly popping up as the preferred wallet for many. And where we have a competitive advantage over apps like Rainbow, Argent, Trust Wallet, and MetaMask is they're heavily focused on cryptocurrencies and the DeFi market. But where we really want to take Alice is putting people first, thinking of problems in their everyday lives and building backwards from there. And also bringing the benefits of cryptographic technology like privacy and ownership of data. So what we aim to do with these dApp integrations within Alice is utilize their marketing channels so that we can start garnering users and their feedback to create a super rich ecosystem, and in turn open people's eyes to the powers of cryptocurrencies and showcase the potential of Alice for future markets to come. But we're stuck at a point where we can't get to all of those users, and hopefully that's where you come in. We've bootstrapped Alice and poured our personal resources into the product, and we really need that extra support to get us building out the team we need to get Alice into the hands of millions of users. A huge demand from our users and developers is, when is the Android version of Alice coming? And Alice really wouldn't be a complete platform if we didn't have the Android version to accompany the iOS app. But to do this, we need to add more developers so that we can build out these platforms and focus also on the business side of things, developing our partnerships. We've created an awesome network and we need to harness that with our business and marketing team, which will then lead to developing services to meet our business models. For new users, we need to add a payment gateway for seamless onboarding, and we'd love to add a feature-rich chat into Alice so that users can do heaps of cool stuff like sharing applications, splitting bills, sending money to each other, or playing games in chat. Well, we're really excited to meet everyone at CoinList Seed Day and super excited to show you guys more behind the scenes stuff with Alice, as well as introduce you to our awesome team. See you guys then.